pinched nerve in your neck, or cervical radiculopathy. If you're experiencing this, today's video is all about what you can do at home to get rid of the pain fast. I'm Dr. Matthew Posa. Welcome to my page. My page is dedicated to people and families with health tips and tricks so you can live the life you were designed to live. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share this information with the people we know need it the most. When you look at your spine, you'll notice that there's a lot of nerves that are coming out of it. So what happens is you can get a pinched nerve or cervical radiculopathy, because what happens is, the position of your neck can be off, the muscles can be super tight, and that's usually what causes it, is that it's an imbalance between the structure of your spine and that area. It could be degeneration in that area, but then it's compression, and a lot of it comes from the nerves, but also the muscles that are governing that area. So let me show you some easy things you can do at home that's gonna help with this. If you're getting the pain on the side of your neck and it's traveling down your arm, we're gonna do a really easy stretch. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is, if the pain's over here, you're gonna wanna bring your neck to one side. And for a lot of you, that can be a huge amount of relief. So you can either put your head to one side and just hold that position for about 30 seconds just to relieve the pressure. I like to overpressure a little bit. So you're gonna take your left hand, because this would be your right side and that's the pain. And again, you're just overpressuring. Now you're not gonna do anything too quick. You're not looking for a snap or a pop. You don't want any of that. All you wanna do is push it a little bit past that point, hold that deep stretch, and then you're gonna let go. And then right away, you should start to notice some relief, either in the neck or even where it's coming down, especially if you're getting it into the hand, into the shoulder, into the arm. But the other way to do this would be to still bend your head to the side. So you're still starting with that position, but then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab with your back hand. So you're gonna take this hand, and you're gonna reach around at the back. So you're gonna grab your hand and you're gonna pull this way, and then you're gonna bend like this. So it's pulling your hand or your shoulder over as you bring your neck to the side. And now what you're doing is you're creating a lengthening of the nerve, and you're helping that nerve to get a little bit more blood flow, some stretch in there, so that way there's a bit more flexibility. And by doing both of those, you're actually stretching the nerve. So that's an easy way, something you could do at home to help with the pain. Other thing that I like to do is a nerve floss. So we're using the same principle that we just went over, but what we're gonna be doing is working the back of the nerve, so the radial nerve. So this is the nerve that comes into the shoulder, into the arm, and usually into the back of the hand. So the radial nerve is really common. And so what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna bend your head to the side, and then you're gonna have your arm out, extend the elbow, but then your hand is down. So hopefully you can see this in the video, but it's bend to the side, bend this way, and you're gonna pull. So you're pulling your neck this way and you're bending this way. And that's creating a lengthening effect on the nerve to really help with the stretching of the nerve. The next one I'm gonna do is with a towel. So this is super simple. You could do this at home anywhere, but what we wanna do is we want to take pressure off of the nerves in the neck by changing the way the shape of your spine is. So if you look at the spine, on a lot of people's x-rays, we're seeing the spine is straight, or even worse, it starts going the opposite way. So what we wanna do is we wanna change where the pressure is, because when the spine is this way and your head weighs down this way, so that pressure is coming on, what it's doing is it's putting dangerous amount of pressure on the nerves. And so what we want to do is create that arching effect. And when we create that arching effect, what happens is the nerves get relaxed in the neck. So there's two ways of doing this with a towel, and I'll show you how to do it. You can use a towel. So you're gonna use just like a regular towel. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it behind your neck. So you can do this sitting or you can do this standing. So I'll just show you how to do it standing. But all you're gonna do is you're gonna take the towel, you're gonna put it in the back of your neck, and I would aim for a little bit lower in your neck. So, and if you need to make this a little bit, harder, so maybe just roll it a little bit so it becomes a little bit thinner. So you don't want it too thick in your neck. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna place it at the bottom of your neck. So you really wanna make sure it's at the bottom of your neck. And then very simply, all you're gonna do is you're gonna hold this way, and then you're gonna bring your chin down. So you're giving yourself what we call a double chin. So you're gonna be double chinning yourself. And then once you double chin yourself, slightly look up. And you're just maintaining the towel. So you're not really moving this at all. You're just holding this in steady. So it's a chin tuck back. So I'll do it without the towel. So it's a chin tuck back and then a slight look up. And then you hold that for a couple seconds, literally 2 seconds, and then let go. So you're gonna do the same thing here. So with the towel, again, chin tucking, looking up, hold, and then relax. And as you do that, you're gonna start creating a little bit more of that shape in your neck. And the other way to do it is to roll a towel. So these are 2 hand towels. I put some elastics around it. And this is something you can do when you lay down. So you would lay down on this, in your bed, on the floor, and all you would do is put it at the base of your neck. So practically between your shoulder blades. And what you're gonna do, because it's a nice soft towel, you're gonna put it there, and then you're gonna lay down on this. And what that's gonna do is that's gonna help create a cervical, what we call lordosis. And this is gonna open up the joints, open up the nerves, and really help with the pain that you're experiencing, especially if it's shooting down the arm. One last thing when you're using this is you can lay down on this for about 10 minutes. So find yourself, like I said, a bed or the floor, lay down on this. I like to do it before bed, just as a way to decompress my spine, open up these nerves. If you have any questions about this video or anything else, please leave a comment down below. I always do my best to get back to you. And if you need more information about the neck or any other exercises, don't forget, watch a bunch of my other videos. They're all there for you. Until next time, have a great day.